mga customer namin sa Palamig, oh. Ice candy.
1,000 sa customers.
Yeah. Combo sila, oh. Mga travelers. Puro nakaban. Oh, diba? Thank you sa inyong lahat. Balik kayo ulit. Sila, oh. Travel sila dito sa subdivision namin.
Meron tayo ang pink ng color minivan.
Yeah.
O kung si Pinky Friends. Kumusta Pinky Friends?
Hello, kuya.
Hello kuya. Hello ate. Hello ate.
He's the one who buy a lot of melon juice.
Kuya.
Oh, grabe. Ang mga customer natin. Oh, they're leaving now. All our customer. Malamig. They just turn around there.
Wow, then wow.
Yeah,
Wow,
they're around
then
there.
wow. Why they turning around?
I don't know.
Mama, there's so many Pinky Friends.
Yeah, and then they do like that there. They park like slanting. Diba? May tiyaga, may nilaga, guys.
I heard Pinky's friend saying
Still
hello.
have ko.
Hi, Pinky.
And itong
Hello,
they're the one
everyone.
who buy us ice
I'm
candy.
having a